Hey guys, it is Jillian. I wanted to pop in here and announce that on October 14th at 2 p.m. Central Time, David and I are showing up live for our second WordPress workshop. It's a 60-minute workshop, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to set up a post in WordPress step by step using the Gutenberg editor. And then we're going to show you how to optimize it for SEO so that Google can find your content. Now, for every blogger, especially bloggers who want to turn their blog into a business, I recommend they be on WordPress. WordPress is the most robust platform out there. However, WordPress is not the most intuitive platform. I don't know if you've ever experienced this, if you felt intimidated by it, but that's why we're doing this, because my goal is to get you comfortable with the platform so that you can start creating content quickly, easily, know exactly what to do step by step. We're doing this on Wednesday, October 14th, 2 p.m. Central Time. It's 60 minutes, but then we're going to stay for as long as you have questions. I personally love showing up live, especially during this time, because we'll get to hang out and see each other. And there's something about that community of like-minded entrepreneurs that just really feeds me. Now, what if you can't make it? Well, no problem. What you can do is you can still sign up, and then as soon as the Zoom session is over, I'm going to send you a link to the video so you can watch it, and you can submit your questions beforehand so that we get to everything. So your questions will definitely be answered. It costs $49. It's for 1 hour and questions if you want to stay for that. And I really think it's worth it because the world's kind of crazy right now, and there's so much we can't control. So I'm a big believer in in doing things that you can control, like working on your business, investing in your business, and showing up in a community of people who are just exactly where you are. And I'd love to hang out with you. So I'm going to put a link. Please sign up now. And if you're not completely satisfied, I will happily refund your money. This is really just a way for us all to help empower each other, and for you to learn, and for you to feel comfortable, and for you to go grow that business. So please join us.